Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with some prize mail. I won a contest that one of my YT sisters here, she's also a Bama girl. She's from Birmingham, my hometown. Anywho, won her contest. Actually, I won two of them. She had a contest that sort of spanned over a few days, where each day you got a chance to enter, and you could, enter each contest that she had. And I actually won two, so I'm super excited about it. Her name here on the YT is #Catholic. So I will have a link down below. Go over, subscribe if you like what you see, and tell her that I sent you. Love her spirit. She's just as sweet as she can be, and I'm super excited to share what I got. So it came in the mail the other day. I'm just now getting around to opening it up. So I am just excited. It's been one of those weeks where I was just in one of those little kind of moods, and so this kind of lifted my spirit. So let's see what we got. So opening it up here. Ooh, it's nice and full too. All right. Ooh, cool. Full of some of my favorite stuff. Stationery and things like that. Okay, so the first thing that I got in my package is this Stained Glass Patterns and Prisms coloring book. And it looks like this. And then you have your different pages to color inside. Looks like this. Well, I'm trying to show y'all. And it's on vellum, so you can put these in frames. Hopefully y'all are seeing this. Okay. You can put these in frames, and it's like stained glass. It's supposed to mimic stained glass. So that's kind of cool. I can't wait to play around with this. This is so cute. I've got plenty of pens and markers and stuff like that that'll work good with that. Then I got some stickers, and these are, oh, you color these as well. So here they are. These are different flower patterns and things like that. Great for my planners, and I like the fact that it has the gold embellishment, because my everyday planner has the gold hardware and stuff, so that'll work good with that. Then I got a notebook. I'm a junkie for these, and it has the color your own front, or you can design it however you want, or use whatever colors you want on the front and on the back. And it has, of course, the elastic to keep it closed, and then it's just got the line pages inside. Ooh, okay. I'm junky I'm serious when it comes to like stationery and things like that. Then I got a pack of neon markers. There are 10 in here. They're called Mighty Marks by Crayola. So I got those. And let's see, I've never seen these before. I'm curious. Might be able to use them with my little stained glass coloring book. Oh, they're tiny. These would be great in my travel planner. Well, I have this little, traveling bag that I put my planner in. So they're little tiny markers. Cool. So you get 10 of them. Okay. And they're in neon color. Okie dokie. So I got a pack of those. Then I got several little packs of Valentine's Day stickers. I think these are stickers. Yep. 8 stickers in here. And oh, they're cute. They're little cute ones. I saw these in Dollar Tree, but I didn't pick any up. I'm kind of glad I didn't, because she got me some. This is so cute. These are so adorable. These are great for like little notebooks and things like that. Not just for your planner. I mean, of course you can use them in your planner, but you can use them in other areas as well, like little notebooks, because I have a little mini notebook that I keep in my purse, and that'd be cute to like highlight different things in there. So I got this one that says you're a llama fun. And this one says Happy Valentine's Day. This one says you're totally awesome. It has a little frog on there, a little pun on words. And then I got one that has I'm bananas for ya. And then there's another one that says Happy Valentine's Day. So these are sweet. Love that. Okay, then I saw these and I passed them up in Dollar Tree. And I'm super excited to get these because at the time I was kind of broke and I was, you know, trying to get the necessities. So anyway, this is one that says Grateful, Thankful, and Blessed. It's again another little mini notebook. Or it's a notepad. And she actually shared on her channel a couple of tricks and tips that you can do with these little notebooks and stuff like that. Now this is a notepad, but here is a notebook that actually, I think, yeah, it goes along with this. And this will be great for like a travel planner. And I love that little tip that she shared with us because I actually have a travel planner. So this would be great to put in there. This is so cute. I love that. I saw these and did not pick them up, so I got them now. I'm excited. Okay, and this one is a spiral journal, and it says today is a good day for a good day, and that's true every day. So I got that one in this prize mail. So it's gonna be fun playing around with these. And then I got a desk pad with a pen, and I'm gonna put this on my desk in my little office area. I used to have an office, but I turned it into a bedroom. So I have an office area now. So I'm gonna put that on my desk. So that's cool. Then I got some washi, and I'm super excited about this washi because I looked up and found one roll of it, oh gosh, a couple years ago, and I had not seen it in Dollar Tree since. And so she actually sent one or included it in her giveaway, and it actually works well with this set, you know, the little Grateful, Thankful and stuff like that. But anywho, I really wanted another one of these, so I'm glad I got that. And I also got a card, and it says, oops, okay. That's okay, honey, I get dates wrong too. Okay, it says, I'm so excited that you won. I love if you post a photo of your prize, so maybe even a video. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the YouTube. God bless me, man. So I got a really pretty little card here. This is so cute. I'm not gonna read it out loud, but it's really cute. So thank you, honey. I'm glad I won too. And then she also included a little prayer card for me. I'm Catholic as well, so I got this in my package too, and it has a prayer on the back. So, and it is, it's a photo of a seminarian martyr, and his feast day is May 29th, and it's Blessed Rolando Revi. I hope I'm saying this, Revi. But anyway, that's the picture of him, and then it has a prayer, and then it has like a little bio of him here and the prayer there. So, yep. Got that. So I'm super excited about my little gift. Oh, I forgot one roll of washi. I got, well, it's a 3-roll thing of washi tape. I didn't see, I forgot it rolled out of the bag, but yeah, I got that as well, and I love this washi. I actually have a home planner. It's like a big notebook that actually has the leopard print, so this one is gonna work really good in that planner right there. And then you have like this faux sort of wood grain, and then you have the zebra print, and I don't know if my camera's doing it justice. There we go. But isn't that pretty? So this is going in my home planner. This will be for like just general planning and crafts. And so will this one. So these are cute. Almost missed those. But yeah, I love my goodies. Thank you so much, my friend. Love you. So yeah, go on, go over, should I say, and check out her channel. I'm gonna post the link down below. And just wanted to come in real quick and share that with you. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. It's almost coming to an end here. Time's moving quick. It's the last day of February. I can't believe it is the last day of February. We're into March already. Whew, boy, time flies. Well, anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and then I'm going to try to film another one after this, so stay tuned for that. And until then, I will see y'all. Bye.